Hi, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Tom.
Welcome to Learn English with Tom
and Emma.
In this podcast, we help you learn English in a fun and easy way.
So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends.
Today, we're talking about something very famous in many countries, Black Friday.
Black Friday is the day after Thanksgiving, which is an American holiday.
That's right. It's usually on the fourth Thursday of November, and the next day, Friday, becomes Black Friday.
On this day, shops give huge discounts. That means lower prices, and people buy lots of things for Christmas.
It's one of the biggest shopping days of the year.
People line up early in the morning, sometimes at 5 a.m., to get special deals.
Yes, some even camp outside the stores overnight.
That sounds crazy, Emma.
It is, but many people enjoy the excitement and saving money, of course.
So, why is it called Black Friday? Is it because it's a dark or bad day?
Good question. No, it's not about being bad or sad. The name Black Friday actually started in the 1960s in the United States.
Really? What happened then?
Well, police officers in the city of Philadelphia used the term Black Friday because the streets were full of traffic and people after Thanksgiving.
Oh, so it was black because of the crowds and traffic.
Exactly. But later, the meaning changed. Stores began to use the name Black Friday in a positive way to say it's the day when they finally make a profit.
Oh, like their accounts go from being in the red, losing money, to being in the black, making money.
That's right. So now, Black Friday means a day of big sales and great deals.
Nowadays, people don't just shop in stores. They also shop online.
Yes, and that's where Cyber Monday comes in. It's the Monday after Black Friday for online shopping deals.
So you can find discounts on TVs, clothes, phones, laptops, and even airline tickets.
It's also a time when many people start buying Christmas gifts.
Exactly, and it's not just in the US anymore. Now, many countries like the UK, Canada, and even Morocco have their own Black Friday sales.
Let's review some new words from today's episode.
Great idea.
Discount, a lower price. Deal, a special offer. Crowded, when many people are in one place. Profit, when a company makes money. Traffic, too many cars on the road. Online shopping, buying things on the internet.
Nice job.
Now we want to hear from you. Do you have Black Friday in your country? Do you like shopping on that day? Tell us in the comments below and practice your English.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our podcast with your friends.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you next time on Learn English with Tom and Emma.